As you edit documents in Empower Editor, you can add comments. To see all the comments in a document, click this button on the Review tab. Each comment is marked with this icon. You can move between the comments by clicking the icon or by clicking these buttons. To add a comment, highlight some text and click this button. Enter your comment and click OK. You can also add to a thread by selecting an existing comment and then clicking this button. If you want to change one of your comments, highlight it. In the comment window, click this button. Then change the text and click OK. If you want to remove any of your comments, you can use this button in the comment window. To delete all the comments in a thread, including those added by other editors, click this button.